I'm going to go ahead and change out the oil injection pump on a 2024 Husky 300 TE. I'm already doing a top end on this, so I have most everything removed. So getting to the oil pump will be pretty easy. I just figured since I have it already torn down, I'll go ahead and change this out. But here's the old oil injection pump right here. Um, should be pretty easy to get to. I'll go through the procedures of how to flush it once the new pump is installed, and we'll go from there. All right, so again, it's kind of hard to see, but this little guy right here is your oil injection pump. So on the pump itself, when you buy it new, it comes with this oil line, and you need to undo this clamp right there. So we'll get going on this. All right, so I'm going to start by removing this bolt that holds the oil pump onto the oil tank, and I'm just supporting the oil tank, and this is just an 8mm. All right, with that removed, we're now going to go ahead and undo this clip, and a little bit of oil will leak out. That's just the nature of it. And here is your oil pump right there. All right, with that disconnected, we're going to go ahead and remove your oil pump from the electronics. And then we'll go ahead and remove All right, so this is the old oil pump right there, and this is the new oil pump. So we'll go ahead and install this. All right, so with the new oil pump, this is just a plug that comes out. And with that plug out, we'll go ahead and install it. All right, with that plug out, we'll go ahead and install the new oil pump. All right, so I have my oil hose connected, and I'm now going to connect it back to the power source. Since this is an electrical connection, I'm going to go ahead and put some dielectric grease in here. With that in place, I'm going to go ahead and remove. You can remove this plug. I'm just going to remove this hose and plug. All right. Now before I secure it, I am going to go ahead and flush the oil line, and I'll show you how to do that. All right, so when you bought your bike, it should have came with something like this. This is made for flushing the oil line. Again, this is a 2024 Husky 300 TE. The older ones will have the same looking adapter, but it'll be red. So for the newer bikes, it's black. So what you need to do is find your diagnostic cable, this guy. So it's usually just behind the battery. Here's my battery, here's a diagnostic cable, and you can tell because it has a cap on the end. Your flush tool, and as you can see, everything started lighting up. And as you can see, it's priming. You can hear it clicking. And I'll go ahead and take this off. Now I'm just going to go ahead and secure that.